Hello students, today we are discuss about the eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell example is the plant cell and animal cell. The cell in which the nuclear material is separated from the surrounding cytoplasm by a nucleus envelope is called as eukaryotic cell. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear envelope is also called as a eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell present in cell wall. The outer side of membrane is called as cell wall. The cell wall is protective semi-transparent. The protective semi-transparent covering outside the cell membrane is called cell wall. It is thick, strong. It is absent in animal cell. It is provide the rigidity shape of cell. It is helps in the transport of material. So the next point is plasma membrane. This is innermost covering of the cell. The plasma membrane is surrounded by the cell wall and which is function is selectively permeable and it is transformation of material to cell to another cell. So cell wall and plasma membrane it is very important for the cell for the protection of the other foreign particles. So next we are talking about the plasmodesmata, the small opening present on the cell membrane. It's called plasmodesmata. So the plasmodesmata is very important role. So the plasmodesmata means small opening present on the cell membrane. The plasmodesmata, which is only allows the substances which is need to the cells and transfer to the another cells. So next point is the cytoplasm. It consists of jelly-like colloidal ground substances. It consists of jelly-like colloidal ground substances called cytoplasmic matrix. So the matrix shows streaming movement called cyclolysis. The cytoplasmic matrix is composed of material sugar amino acid. The next point is the ribosome. In eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are found attached to the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. During active protein synthesis, 18 years ribosome from seen to occur in a ground groups and are collectively known as polysomes, and it is take part in protein synthesis. Later we are talking about polysomes. So the next point is the chloroplast. The chloroplast is a type of plastid. The plastid is a found in only algal cell. The chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis and it is store the food material in the form of starch. So this is all about the chloroplast. So the next point is vacuole. Vacuole are the membrane bounded fluid filled space present in an eukaryotic cell. Vacuoles is bounded by the single unit membrane called tonoplast. So the next point is mitochondria. Mitochondria are double membrane bounded organelle found in nearly all eukaryotic cells. The cavity of mitochondria is filled with dense fluid known as the mitochondrial matrix. The matrix shows the presence of protein lipids through ribosomes. Mitochondrial matrix is very important for the cells. Large portion of the mitochondrial protein represent enzymes. Mitochondria is also called as the powerhouse of cell because the ATP molecules are produced during the cellular respiration. Hence is called as powerhouse of the cells. It stores the energy in the form of ATP. Membrane of mitochondria's inner folding is called as cisternae. Oxysomes or F1 particle are attached to the cristae. Oxysome consists of three parts: head, pieces, stalk, and base. So the next point is polysome. Polysome is the complex of ribosome. Polysome is the complex of ribosome stretched along a single strand of a messenger RNA that translated the genetic information coded in the messenger RNA during protein synthesis. This is function of polysomes. So the next we are talking about the nucleus. Nucleus is the control the all cell organelles as like a human brain. Nucleus is a small size in plant cells and big size in a animal cell. So the nucleus is a small, thus containing nuclear pore, chromatin, nucleolus, nuclear envelopes. So the next example of eukaryotic cell is the animal cell. The outermost membrane, the finger-like projection are present. This finger-like projection is called as microvilli. The microvilli function as a movement of the cell or the grip to the cell and locomotion for the cell. Microvilli is very important role in a cells. So the next point is talking about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are spread in a cell. They are also attached to the membrane of the cells shown in a diagram. The endoplasmic reticulum are two types on the basis of ribosomal attachment. RER, that is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, SER, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER, plays an important role in detoxification in a liver. In this diagram, there are no presence of ribosome, and this is the presence of ribosome. That's this endoplasmic reticulum called as the rough ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is usually a continuous system connected. One with end is nuclear membrane and another end with the plasma membrane. So the next point we are talking about the pinocytic vesicle. The pinocytic vesicle where a small particle are brought into the cell forming a inner folding or invagination which is turned are suspended in a small vesicle. This process is also known as the cell drinking. This process is also known as the cell drinking. So pinocytic vesicle is also called as the cell drinking. Pinocytic vesicle is also important role. They are the outer membrane of the cells shown in the figure. So let's writing about the pinocytic vesicle, the drinking of the cells. The pinocytic vesicle only found in the animal cells. So the next point is the lysosomes. Lysosomes are a dense body made of single unit membrane enclosing various hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes are polymorphic in nature. The lysosomes has been derived from two words. Lyso means digestive, soma means the body. Lysosomes are single membrane bounded body, rounded, elliptical, are highly irregular in a shape. They are also called as the suicidal bags of the cells because digestion all kinds of the material inside or outside the cell. This is also known as the suicidal bags of the cells. Lysosomes are originated from the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies is the next point. So the Golgi complex is also called as the Golgi apparatus. They synthesize the complex carbohydrate from simple sugar. And also storage of protein, carbohydrates, and lipids. Golgi apparatus is concerned with the secretion like glycoproteins and glycolipids, and it also releases the vesicles and transport the vesicles. So next important point is the nucleus. In the nucleus, nuclear membrane are found. N- Nucleus, it is the controlling center of the cells. It contains genetic material in the form of chromosome. The prokaryotic cell do not have a true nucleus, but in eukaryotic cell they have a